everybody. On this video here, we've got a American lock. It's a Series 200, which I didn't do any research, so I might be wrong. Somebody can correct me, but I think this is a predecessor of the 5200, because this has the old style core, where it's a stainless steel body like the 5200s are. And this came from eBay with no key. When I got it, it was basically seized up. Pins weren't moving. Core was stuck where it wouldn't wiggle at all, so it wouldn't really any way to tension it. Even the pins had been free to move around. So sprayed some Tri-Flow in there, the superior lubricant, gave it a couple days, and eventually I was able to pick it. And then I wanted to make a key for it on video, but I ended up spending, I don't know, 10 or 15 minutes trying to get the pin to push in that you have to hammer in to be able to spin these, to get the key pins out. And so it's a horrible video, so I gave up on video. Eventually did get the pin to push in and was able to make a key. So here's our key that we've got for it. Bidding on the key is 42458. And I can tell you that pin 1 is a spool, and I have no idea what the rest of them are. The other pin that's on these cylinders that you have to push in to rotate it enough to drop the drivers, it wouldn't pull out. So I didn't want to drill it or anything, so it's a mystery what the rest of the top pins are. Click on 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing on 1. I can also tell you all 5 key pins are just standard pins. There's no serrations in them. I think the springs might be in bad shape on this lock too. I'm telling you, it wasn't easy to pick. I actually had to pick it twice because I accidentally locked it back trying to get that pin to push in, so I had to pick it again. So this is the rare video that I'm picking a lock that I've picked before. Usually it's the first time. So I guess in theory it should be easier, but I feel stuff setting, but then they don't drop back down. Let's get this damn thing open now. Enough talking. Okay, so we dropped into a false set there. Check off one, because I know one's a spool. Okay, that lost our false set. Okay, back into a false set. Thought we were open that time. And we're open. So, got it open. Fun pick. Maybe the springs are okay, and I just wasn't putting enough tension on it because I really cranked it up there. And we'll just show you the core. Can't really gut it, but we'll show it to you anyway. Just in case somebody hasn't seen one, and I guess I might maybe link a video to another one of these old locks that actually has all gone how it should on video. So what you have here, I've got a key, but you have one pin here. If I can, you see it right. Put the key in real quick here, damn. So you got the one pin right here, that you can see right here. That pin is supposed to pull out, and I'm just gonna make a joke there, and I won't make it. But anyway, so that one comes out, and and then this one over here is the one that actually presses in. And when that one pressed in, it allows you to rotate it around and get the pins out of the bottom of it. If you're able to get the other one to pull out, then you can actually flip it all the way around and actually take the plug out, and you can actually drop the drivers and replace springs and whatnot. But if that pin won't come out, the only other thing I know how to do is to drill it and then replace it. But I'm not going to bother doing that here because the lock's fine. And so this is probably going to wind up back on eBay because kind of a cool lock, but not one that I probably end up keeping. I kind of like the 600s better. But anyway, that'll do it for this video then, and we'll I guess be back later, and that'll boy, I messed that all up.